Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you know how many indigenous cow breeds are found in India? No, right? Let me tell you. So the exact answer to this question is 50. There are mainly 50 indigenous cow breeds found in India. These breeds are the ones which are recognized by National Dairy Development Board, NDDB. This is part 1 of this series, and in this video we will talk about all the breeds found in North India, and we will discuss these alongside the India map. But before starting, let us first understand a few terms that we would be using further in this video. Milch breeds or milk breeds. These breeds are the ones which are mainly reared for milk production. The male animals are slow or poor work animals, and milk production is more than 1600 kg per lactation. Draught breeds. These breeds are the ones in which the cows are poor milk yielder, but the male animals are very useful for work. Their milk production is less than 500 kg per lactation, and they are usually white in color. Then we have dual purpose breeds. These are the breeds in which the cows are average milk yielder, and at the same time the males can also be used for work. Their milk production per lactation lies between 500 kg to 1500 kg. Another term in use would be breeding tract, which means an area where an animal is mainly found and its breeding is done. So now starting from the top, in Jammu and Kashmir we have the Ladakhi cow, which is a draught animal. The milk production lies between 2 to 5 kg per day, and it is mainly found in black and brown colors. Its breeding tract is in Leh and Kargil. Ladakhi cow gives high in fat milk, which is mainly used for making butter and churpi, which is an important part of the diet of local people. These cows are small in size with their horns curved upward and directed in slightly upward direction. These cows are adapted to living in extreme cold climatic conditions. Then in Himachal Pradesh, we have Himachali Pahadi cow. This is a dual purpose breed with milk production of 1 to 3 kgs per day. They are found in black and blackish brown colors, and their breeding tract covers Chamba, Kangra, Kinnaur, Kullu, Mandi, Shimla, Sirmaur, Lahul and Spiti districts of Himachal Pradesh. They have the ability to work on narrow, slopy and hilly terrains and are also adapted to cold climate and fodder scarcity. Talking of their features, their ears are horizontally placed and horns are medium sized, mainly curved in lateral and upward direction. Average milk fat is 4.68%. Coming down to Uttarakhand, we have the Badri cow, which is a dual purpose breed and gives 1 to 3 kgs of milk per day. They are found in various colors like black, brown, grey, white and red. Their breeding tract covers Nainital, Almora, Bageshwar, Pithoragarh, Champawat, Pauri Garhwal, Tehri Garhwal, Rudraprayag, Uttarkashi and Chamoli. This cow is known for its nutritious milk, having medicinal properties in it since they graze on herbs and shrubs in the mountains. Average milk fat is of 4%. Now in Punjab, we have the Sahiwal breed. This is a milk breed with milk production of 6 to 10 kg per day. It is found in brownish red color, and its breeding tract covers Sahiwal area of Montgomery district in Punjab, Pakistan. Good herds can be seen in Fazilga and Abohar towns of Firozpur district. These cows are popular for dairy purpose as they give good amount of milk with 5 to 6% fat. Further moving to Haryana, there are 3 breeds. First one, the Haryana cow is a dual purpose breed with milk capacity of 10 to 15 kg per day. They are found in white and light grey colors. Breeding tract includes Hisar, Rohtak, Sonipat, Gurgaon, Jind and Jhajjar districts of Haryana. They are mainly maintained for bullock production as they are powerful work animals and therefore more attention is paid in managing male calves. The average fat percent is 3 to 3.5%. Then we have the Belahi cow, which is a dual purpose breed with milk capacity of 2 to 5 kg per day. Found in grey, white or reddish brown color, their breeding tract consists of Ambala, Panchkula, Yamunanagar districts of Haryana and Chandigarh. The average milk fat is 5.25%. Third breed of Haryana is a Mewati cow, a draught breed having milk production of 4 to 12 kg per day. Being found in white color, they are found in Mathura district of Uttar Pradesh and Gurgaon and Faridabad districts of Haryana, and also in Alwar and Bharatpur districts of Rajasthan. So they mainly cover 3 states. Mewati cattle are powerful and docile and are useful for heavy plowing, carting and drawing water from deep wells. Now in the state of Rajasthan, we have 7 prominent breeds. The Kankrej cow, which is the first cow we have here. The Kankrej cow is a dual purpose breed with milk production of 10 to 12 kg per day. They are found in grey and black and white colors in the Barmed and Jodhpur districts of Rajasthan and Mehsana, Kutch, Ahmedabad, Kaira, Sabarkantha and Banaskantha districts of Gujarat. These cows have a short face with a thin nose, slightly upturned. They have enormous horns and look very beautiful in appearance. These cows are known for their loyalty and affection towards their owners. The milk fat percentage is around 4 to 8%. We once again have the Mewati cow in Rajasthan also. Then we have the Nagauri cow, which is a draught breed. Milk production is 6 to 12 kg per day. Colors white. Breeding tract Bikaner, Jodhpur and Nagaur districts of Rajasthan. Nagauri bulls are actually world famous and they are used a lot in races. They are very energetic and athletic. The average fat percentage is 5 to 8%. The next breed is Nari cow, which is a dual purpose breed with milk production of 5 to 9 kg per day. Colors white, grey and black. They are breeded in Pali and Sirohi districts of Rajasthan and Banaskantha and Sabarkantha districts of Gujarat. Average milk fat is 4.64%. Next up is the Rathi cow, a milk breed with milk capacity of 5 to 10 kg per day. Found in brown color with white patches, sometimes in Bikaner, Ganganagar and Jaisalmer districts of Rajasthan. They are adapted to the scorching summer, chilly winter, dry monsoon and dust storms of the Thar region. They are an efficient and good milkers with 4.3% of milk fat. We again have the Sahiwal cow, followed by Thar Parker, which is a milk breed with 8 to 10 kg milk per day. Colors are white and light grey. Breeding tract is Barmed, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer districts of Rajasthan and Kutch district of Gujarat. They are named after the Thar desert and are disease resistant with 4.4% milk fat. Now coming to the last state of North India, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has 5 main breeds. First one is the Gangatiri, a dual purpose breed giving 4 to 5 kg milk per day. 4 to 6 kg milk per day actually. They can be seen in white and grey colors in Varanasi, Mirzapur, Ghazipur and Balia districts of Uttar Pradesh and Bhojpur district of Bihar. Average milk fat is 4.9%. Second is the Cane Katha breed, a draught animal, milk production 1 to 3 kg per day. Colors grey and dark grey. Breeding tract Lalitpur, Hamirpur and Banda districts of Uttar Pradesh and Tikamgarh district of Madhya Pradesh. They are known for their peculiar characteristics to thrive on poor feed resources. Third cow is the Khedi Gad cow, a draught breed with meager 0.5 to 2 kg of milk per day. Found in white and grey colors in Lakhimpur Kheri and Pilibhit districts of Uttar Pradesh. The bulls have large horns and are powerful animals. After this, we again see the Mewati cow in Uttar Pradesh also. The last breed is the Ponwar cow, which is a draught animal with 0.5 to 2.5 kg of milk production per day. These are found with intermixed patches of black and white on their body. Their breeding tract is Pilibhit district of Uttar Pradesh. These cows behave in a semi-wild manner and are tough to control. They graze in forest land without feed supplementation. The average milk fat is 4.3%. This was all in this video. Thank you for watching and please share your suggestions in the comment box and subscribe to see more of such content. Thank you.